What did all your luxury cars mean to you in the end?
They were fun to polish, but none followed me here.
So, you already know from the thumbnail the solution we came up with as our routine, and let's start it.
So in the first step, find Cloud Skills Boost in Google. Then go to the first link, cloudskillsboost.google. Here, you need to sign in. Go sign in with Google option. You will be able to sign up with your Gmail account you already have. Select the account and click Continue. When you sign up for the first time, it will ask you the date of birth. Give the date of birth. Accept. You have signed up with your Gmail into cloudskillsboost.google. Now go to Explore Catalog and search Generative AI. Search Generative AI. Here you will see all the plans. Go to the plan where the time is 45 minutes and start the lab. Sometimes it will ask you for verification. Now the lab has been started. And remember, open this incognito window. Now you see an incognito window has been opened, and he has created your student account in quicklabs.net. Click on I understand. This is your account. Here again, it will ask you to provide country information. Enable the terms of service and agree and continue. And now open a new tab and search Google Vids. Go to the first link, workspace.google.com. Now sign into Vids. Here you will see the student ID created before. Click on the account to sign up. So, we have completed all steps to reach EO3. Here are all the options available for you to work on. Click Turn Ideas into Video Clip. And boom, we are at the destination. And always remember to select EO3. Paste your prompt or write your prompt in the prompt box. And click Create. Your video generation has been started. It will take a few minutes to complete. Do not worry if the time of your lab is going to end. That was 45 minutes. You can restart your lab again and follow the same steps. Your video has been created successfully.
What did all your luxury cars mean to you in the end?
They were fun to polish, but none followed me here.
In the next step, see how to download this video. Insert it into Timeline and export to Drive. For export, go to Share and click on Export to Drive. It will upload your video into Drive, and from there you can download easily. Generate as much as you want until this method works. I am not sure when Google can stop this service.